Hello guys. Today we are going to understand on AIFs, Alternative Investment Funds. They have taken more than 11 lakh crores of funding till date. Yes. So these funds are privately pooled investment vehicles, such as our private equity funds, venture capital funds, hedge funds, etc. So here the minimum corpus is 20 crore, and each investor has to invest a minimum of 1 crore rupees. There can be a maximum of 1000 investors. So this is not open to general public. Very limited number of investors, generally the high net worth individuals or the institutional investors invest here. This is regulated by SEBI. So there are four prime parties. Firstly, it is the sponsor, the person who is responsible for making the AIF and who is the pioneer in making the AIF. Secondly, it is the trustee. Trustee, generally, since AIFs are formed in the form of trusts, trustee is the person who is responsible for taking care of the interests of the investors. Thirdly, we have the investor manager who invests all the funds in different sectors as per the requirements of the fund and the vision of the fund. Then fourthly, we have our investors, which are the HNI and the institutional investors. Now, there are three categories of AIF defined as per SEBI: category 1, 2, and 3. So, category 1, they generally invest in like the pre-seed, seed stage. This can be our venture capital. So, they invest in early stage, high growth startups. Category 2, which is the most famous, around 75% of all AIFs investments is through category 2. Here we have our private equity funds, which invest for medium term to long term in unlisted securities. Then we have our category 3, which is they use the derivatives and other financial products in order to generate our profit. So category 1 and 2 are generally short term, like 3 years lock in period, and it is close ended. Whereas category 3, it is open ended, generally does not have any lock in period. Then, so this AIS are a very strong investment vehicle, and even these have been promoted in our IFSC at Gujarat. So yes, this is about AIF.